I had an accident. This thing should have been gone ages ago. The tow ball thing is the wrong way, and I don't know if you guys can actually really see it, but look what it's done to my bumper. I'm gonna have to see if I can fix it. So I've got this. I'm gonna try and heat it up. May have to move the car over and out, which I may do now before anything. So I'm gonna quickly fix this and I'll give you guys an update in an hour. So I have fixed the problem. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've done a really bad job at spray painting. That's why I'm not a body thing, whatever you call it, auto repair person. So now I'm just putting everything back. I've taken my mud flaps off because they are the wrong ones. So now I just gotta add this little screw into the right thing and then tighten it all up. Cable tie the bumper on properly so it doesn't fly off when I'm driving. So yeah, but that's my news for the day. So just cable tie that side, the other side, and then it's, you know, all ready to go. I'm gonna sand that and just pray to God that no one really cares, because my car will properly get fixed. I don't know why that stopped. Sorry, I'm just looking for a song. And then yeah, so I'm gonna cut it here, obviously edit this and upload it so